Oye, mi gente, my new best friend, now that I found the cagatina of rotten wood.
What's
Oye,
up, guys?
What does your product bring to the fiberglass game? You can talk. Go, keep going.
This is our new product here that we're showing this year as a brushable gel coat, and easy to apply, easy to sand, get a beautiful shine with it, multiple coats. We do epoxies, we do polyesters, we do gel coats. We have an assortment of colors that we stock all the time. Whatever you need with fiberglass, putties.
It's my go-to for all my fiberglass solutions and recommendations that I've had on my boat. I highly recommend them. Dale, Guajiro.